Hello student, Hemanth is here. So today we will continue with the next part of our chapter जिसमें हमने स्टार्ट किया था केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड इक्वेशन। और केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड इक्वेशन में अभी तक हमने देख लिया था अबाउट व्हाट आर द केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड हाउ केमिकल रिएक्शंस प्रोसीड्स। ओके, सो and we have already seen the three questions of your activity which is given in your textbook page number 30 and 31. Okay, so now we will check the next two examples which are given in your activity. The fourth question says add sodium carbonate. See, sodium carbonate add करना है. What is the formula of sodium carbonate? This is the fourth question of your activity. It says add Na2CO3. It is sodium carbonate. So add sodium carbonate, fourth one, solution in the calcium chloride solution. So in calcium chloride, that is CaCl2 solution. So सोडियम क्लोराइड के सॉल्यूशन को सोडियम कार्बोनेट के सॉल्यूशन को कैल्शियम क्लोराइड के सॉल्यूशन में मिक्स करना है. देन रिएक्शन विल प्रोसीड. सो रिएक्शन क्या होगी? सो सोडियम कार्बोनेट एंड कैल्शियम क्लोराइड विल बी आवर रिएक्टेंट्स. ओके, सो रिएक्टेंट्स क्या हो जाएंगे? Na2CO3. Na2CO3 is sodium carbonate. It is reacts with calcium chloride. It is CaCl2. It is calcium chloride. When they are going to react, how they undergoes chemical reaction to form sodium will form chlorine. Sodium will form sodium chloride by combining with chlorine. So here we have two sodium and two chlorine will form twice NaCl. Twice NaCl means sodium chloride. Then what we will remain then? Calcium carbonate. So calcium carbonate is formed. It is CaCO3. So we have to write the name also. Okay, so it is sodium carbonate. So we have to write the name. Sodium carbonate. It is calcium chloride. It is sodium chloride. And it is calcium carbonate. Okay, so these two are reactants and these two are product. Okay, so we can say when sodium carbonate solution is added in calcium chloride solution, they undergoes chemical reaction to form sodium chloride and calcium carbonate. Okay, so you have to write the description also because question क्या पूछ रहा है? What will happen when we are adding sodium carbonate solution in calcium chloride solution? Okay, so we have to write description also. So description will be when sodium carbonate, it is Na2CO3, reacts with calcium chloride solution, or directly we have to write CaCl2. They undergoes chemical reaction. They undergoes chemical reaction to form what they are forming? Sodium chloride, that is NaCl, and calcium carbonate. Or we can write directly CaCO3. Okay, so this is the way you have to explain the you have to write the concept of the reaction. Okay, so this is the concept when sodium carbonate and calcium chloride they reacts. Okay, so write down because it is very important. Now we have the last but not the least question of your activity. So write down this first. So the next question. The next question says, take phthalic anhydride in a evaporating dish. Phthalic anhydride. We are taking it in evaporating dish. Evaporating dish कुछ ऐसी होती है. It is also called as China dish. Okay, and take phthalic anhydride in evaporating dish. The formula of phthalic anhydride is C8H4O2. It is the formula of phthalic anhydride. Basically, it is O3. O3. So it is phthalic anhydride. P is silent. Phthalic anhydride. Okay. So question says, take the powder form of phthalic anhydride in evaporating dish. Then close the end of the stem of the funnel with the cotton plug. Keep this funnel inverted on the evaporating dish. So here you have to keep funnel in inverted form. This is the funnel, and here you have to plug the cotton. Heat the evaporating dish on on a tripod stand. So you have to keep this evaporating dish on tripod stand. This is the tripod stand. This is the surface. Okay. Now you have to heat this evaporating dish by using Bunsen burner. This is the pipeline for the gas, and this is the Bunsen burner, and here we have phthalic anhydride. Okay, then observe the experiment, and then it says, what did you observe in the funnel during the heating? So when you will heat this phthalic anhydride, the water molecule is removed from the phthalic anhydride, and water droplets will you observe on the neck of the funnel. So here you will observe the water. That water is nothing but the water of crystallization. Okay. अब हमने इसको हीट किया. अब हीट करने के बाद इस थैलिक एनहाइड्राइड में से वाटर मॉलिक्यूल विल रिमूव, तो थैलिक एनहाइड्राइड विल बिकम dehydrated thalic acid. It will become dehydrated thalic acid. Okay, so this is the experiment that you have to perform. Okay, so now the next part. So in during chemical reaction, we have already seen their changes takes place in reactant and new products are formed. So their change are of two types. The change there are of two types. Changes takes place maybe permanent or temporary. Temporary change or permanent change. Where the permanent change takes place in reactants or substance, there is chemical reaction takes place. chemical reaction takes place. Like we have seen example, sodium reacts with chlorine to form NaCl. Here the changes takes place permanently, that's why it is the chemical reaction. But in temporary change, or we can say the physical change, so in physical change, see here it is physical change and here it is chemical change. So we can write physical and chemical change also. Instead of writing all this directly, we can write physical change and chemical change. So it is chemical change and here it is physical change. So in chemical change, permanent change takes place. Here the change will be permanent. Permanent change takes place. Here temporary change takes place. Example, like chemical reaction of formation of sodium chloride. Here or we can say like carbon when burns in presence of oxygen will form कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. हमने कार्बन को बर्न किया ऑक्सीजन के प्रेजेंस में, सो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड फॉर्म होगा और हीट एनर्जी रिलीज होगी. सो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को हम वापस कार्बन में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं क्या? नो. दैट मीन्स हियर द चेंज टेक्स प्लेस विच इज परमानेंट. दैट्स व्हाई हियर द केमिकल रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस. नाउ वी विल टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ फिजिकल चेंज. लाइक वी हैव आइस. आइस इज नथिंग बट वाटर, सॉलिड फॉर्म. अगर हमने आइस को हीट किया सो आइस विल एब्जॉर्ब हीट एनर्जी, उसका एनर्जी लेवल बढ़ेगा और आइस विल कन्वर्ट इनटू वाटर, लिक्विड वाटर. सो विल कन्वर्ट इनटू वाटर. सो हियर वी कैन से H2O is in solid form and here H2O is in liquid form. If we will further heat, और हमने इसको हीट किया वाटर को, will convert into vapors. That means H2O in gaseous form. अब हम रिएक्शन को रिवर्स भी कर सकते हैं. हमने टेम्परेचर यहाँ पर अभी इंक्रीज किया था, नाउ वी आर डिक्रीजिंग द टेम्परेचर नाउ. सो वेपर विल कन्वर्ट इनटू वाटर अगेन. Okay, when we will reduce the heat, and water will convert into solid ice. That means freezing of water. When we will decrease the temperature. Okay, so here the changes takes place which is not permanent. It is the temporary change. That means here the physical state of a substance is changing, like solid to liquid, liquid to gas. Then again we are decreasing the temperature, then gases becomes liquid and liquid becomes solid. So this is the temporary change takes place. That's why it is called as physical change. Okay, so here we have completed the physical change, chemical change, and very important part which is just we have studied here. So I hope आपको जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो क्लियर हो गए होंगे. सो एक्टिविटी के हमने ऑल क्वेश्चन दैट इज 5 क्वेश्चंस कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं. आज हमने इसके 2 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए एंड वी हैव अंडरस्टूड द फिजिकल एंड केमिकल चेंज आल्सो. ओके, सो दिस एक्टिविटीज के जो क्वेश्चन है यू हैव टू रिपीट इट वंस बिकॉज दिस इज रियली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट. और इसी के बेस के ऊपर हम पूरा चैप्टर स्टडी करने वाले हैं. ओके, सो बाय नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द what is chemical equation and how chemical reactions are written in the form of equation by using various symbols. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.